Modal verb can. Question tags. Affirmative, negative, negative contracted forms. Modal verb can. Question tags. I can forgive easily. Can't I? I cannot forgive easily. Can I? I can't forgive easily. Can I? You can call him later. Can't you? You cannot call him later. Can you? You can't call him later. Can you? Modal verb can. Question tags. We can insert the chip now. Can't we? We cannot insert the chip now. Can we? We can't insert the chip now. Can we? They can cut the wires. Can't they? They cannot cut the wires. Can they? They can't cut the wires. Can they? Modal verb can. Question tags. He can write very fast. Can't he? He cannot write very fast. Can he? He can't write very fast. Can he? She can expand her business. Can't she? She cannot expand her business. Can she? She can't expand her business. Can she? Modal verb can. Question tags. It can announce updates automatically. Can't it? It cannot announce update automatically. Can it? It can't announce updates automatically. Can it? John can apply for job. Can't he? John cannot apply for job. Can he? John can't apply for job. Can he? Modal verb can. Question tags. The children can play outside. Can't they? The children cannot play outside. Can they? The children can't play outside. Can they? The screen can display the image. Can't it? The screen cannot display the image. Can it? The screen can't display the image. Can it? Modal verb can. Exercise. Comment on your own question tags with modal verb can in affirmative and negative forms. Thank you.